Welcome to GK Quiz Prime Time. Which type of soil in India retains the most water? Right answer is option C, black soil. Who became the first Muslim president of the Indian National Congress? Right answer is option C, Badruddin Tyabji. The Pritzker Prize is an international honor awarded for outstanding contributions in which field? Right answer is option A, architecture. Which national park has become India's second hub of butterfly diversity? Right answer is option C, Kaziranga National Park. Which country developed the world's most powerful hydrogen train engine? Correct answer is option D, India. Which is the longest dam in India? Right answer is option D, Hirakud Dam. Who was India's first Nobel laureate in economics? Right answer is option C, Amartya Sen. The Kanakshri Award is a literary honor given by which Indian state government? Right answer is option C, Karnataka. Which location was recently declared Gujarat's first biodiversity heritage site? Right option is C, Guneri Inland Mangroves. Which Indian state is home to the Charaideo Maidam, now a UNESCO World Heritage Site? Correct answer is option A, Assam. Which Indian state is considered most flood prone? Right answer is option C, Bihar. Who was the first Indian to win the Magsaysay Award? Right answer is option C, Acharya Vinoba Bhave. Which Indian award is considered the highest in the field of military honors? Right answer is option D, Paramveer Chakra. Which country has become the 119th member of the International Solar Alliance? Right answer is option C, Malta. Which city is now home to India's first night safari? Right answer is option C, Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. Why does Tamil Nadu receive significant rainfall during the winter season? Right answer is option B, due to the northeast monsoon winds. Who was the first Indian male to win the Park Strait Ocean swimming contest? Right answer is option B, Badiyanath Nath. The Tansen Samman awarded by the state of Madhya Pradesh is associated with which field? Right answer is option C, classical music. In which city will India's first PPP green waste processing plant be set up? Right answer is option B, Indore, Madhya Pradesh. Which organization received the Prani Mitra National Award by the Government of India in 2025? Right answer is option C, Vantara. How many states and union territories does India currently have? Right answer is option C, 28 states and 8 union territories. Who was the first Indian to receive the Stalin Peace Prize? Right answer is option C, Saifuddin Kichlev. The Gomant Vibhushan Award is the highest civilian honor of which Indian state? Right answer is option B, Goa. Recently, which state topped the bird count in India for the third consecutive year? Right option is C, West Bengal. Which of the following was declared as India's 57th Tiger Reserve in December 2024? Correct answer is option C, Ratapani Tiger Reserve. What causes the monsoon in India? Right answer is option C, southwest winds. Who served as India's first Chief Justice? Right answer is option A, H.J. Kanaya. The Borlaug Award is presented for contributions in which sector? Right answer is option B, agriculture. The newly declared Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar Wildlife Sanctuary is located in which Indian state? Correct answer is option B, Madhya Pradesh. Jhajjar Bacholi Wildlife Sanctuary in Punjab will soon be developed into which type of safari? Right answer is option C, leopard safari. Which is the largest and saltiest lake in India and where is it located? Right answer is option C, Sambhar Lake, Rajasthan. Who was the first Indian to reach the South Pole? Right answer is option A, Colonel J.K. Bajaj. The Padma Shri is regarded as which rank among India's civilian honors? Right answer is option C, fourth rank. The largest white hydrogen reservoir in the world was recently discovered in which country? Right answer is option A, France. Where has India established its first Himalayan Climate Research Center? Correct answer is option B, Udhampur, Jammu and Kashmir. Which is the oldest iron and steel company in India? Correct answer is option B, Tata Steel. Who was the first Speaker of the Lok Sabha? Right answer is option B, G.V. Mavlankar. The Indira Gandhi Prize is awarded for contributions towards which cause? Right answer is option C, peace, disarmament, and development. Which country declared in April 2025 that it will adopt green cryptocurrency to enhance its economy? Correct answer is option B, Bhutan. Which protected area in Odisha was recently declared India's 107th national park? Correct answer is option D, Simlipal. What percentage of India's total land is used for agriculture as per World Bank data? Right answer is option C, 60%. Who was the first Indian to reach Antarctica? Right answer is option A, Lieutenant Ramcharan. The Awadh Samman is an award presented by which Indian state government? Right answer is option A, Uttar Pradesh. Which city is said to become the world's first to be fully powered by renewable energy? Correct answer is option B, Amaravati, Andhra Pradesh. Which state is home to Udhwa Lake, recently declared a Ramsar site? Correct answer is option B, Jharkhand. Which state has the highest number of national parks in India? Right answer is option C, Madhya Pradesh. Who was India's first vice president after independence? Correct answer is option C, Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. The Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna is a prestigious Indian award given in which field? Right answer is option C, sports. Who won the Stockholm Water Prize 2025 for flood risk research? Correct answer is option A, Gunter Blokel. Which Indian state is home to the highest number of river dolphins? Correct answer is option A, Uttar Pradesh. Stay updated, stay ahead. Subscribe for more current affairs and competitive exam prep.